Hi everyone, this is Ashley speaking, and I got a big announcement for you, and it's all about the fall giveaway. This is all about the PS5 Pro game console, for you or for a loved one this holiday season. As you can see here, I secure a copy, and I will give this away to a lucky subscriber at the 600 subscribers to my YouTube channel. Boom! So if you want to win a PS5 Pro, all you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, join any of these affiliate programs down below, like the OLSP system, for $7 one time, and it's my biggest recommendation on this list. Or if you're already in the online business, then make a purchase to any of these traffic sources, including my website, where I can create a banner for you, and I will do a video spotlight for your online business. So all you got to do is show payment proof for my contacts down below this video. And without further ado, thanks for watching, and greatness awaits.